Hello, it's Ben here with the DIY Homefront, and today I'm going to be cleaning a rug. So if you're curious how I clean my rugs, keep watching, and when you're done, you'll know. Yep, that's right, that's a pressure washer. That's what I'm going to use, and I have found that this is the best area to wash the rugs in our house. We live in a fairly flat terrain, and this is the closest place I have to any kind of slope or runoff. So I will wet this rug up and we'll start cleaning. I guess what really did it in for us is, you see these light spots that we've got here and there? We had a little puppy dog that got pretty sick on us, and it started throwing up. And it didn't take long with us cleaning up all the throw up spots that we realized how dirty the rug was. And this nice little white strip right here, you know where that's at? That's the part that's underneath our couch. So you can definitely see where it's dirty. Especially out here where the pets like to lie. Rascal, you gonna help out? Well, thanks for tuning into the channel. If you like my videos and you don't want to miss any, don't forget to subscribe. Well, even though I'm using a pressure washer, I'm not necessarily worried about cleaning the rug right now. All I want to do is saturate it with water. Now, when our little doggy threw up, we ended up cleaning those spots with something called Fabulous. It's a cleaning agent, but wherever we did that, when I spray the carpet with the pressure washer, you end up getting white spots because, for lack of better words, there's already soap right there, and the pressure washer is helping break loose that dirt, and those spots are going to be more visible the more I work on the rug. Now, you definitely want to clean a rug on a slope, because what you want is water runoff. Without that, you're going to end up with all the dirty water just staying right where you are, and you're going to have a hard time cleaning things because none of that dirt is going to wash away from the rug. Well, this is the cleaner I use when cleaning rugs, and I will put this undiluted in a spray bottle, and I will spray the rug pretty thoroughly. Something else that I do that may be sort of counterproductive to most people is I will take the cleanest part of the rug and put it downhill. I'll put it at the lowest level, because what I really want to happen is I want all the dirty water and gunk to wash towards that clean spot, because invariably you're going to have the cleanest spot is going to be highest because all the dirt's going to wash away from that, and in theory the dirtiest would be the lowest spot. So by taking the cleanest area of the rug and putting it low, I normally get a decent balance. In other words, both ends of the rug end up just as clean as the other, because the dirtiest spot is now clean and the cleanest spot now has a little bit of dirt on it. I know that doesn't make much sense, but that's the way it works in my head. Well, if I do get dislikes for this video, it's going to be because of this. I've got a hard bristled nylon brush, and I'm going to use it to go over every inch of this rug. Now, I'm not going to go crazy, and I'm not trying to scrub all the dirt out. What I'm trying to do is work the soap into the fiber of the rug and sort of loosen up the fibers of the rug so the water can wash it out. At first glance, the rug looks like it's clean, but it's really not. It just has a bunch of soapy film that's on top of it. It is still really dirty. And I've let it sit for probably about another 15 to 20 minutes. And now I'm going to go back and I'm just going to rinse and rinse and rinse and rinse it with water until all the dirt has been washed out of this rug. And I'm going to start at the highest point on the rug and work towards the lowest part of the rug. Now, I know for some time is critically important, so here's the amount of time it took me to clean this rug. I spent about 5 minutes pressure washing it to get it wet. I spent about 15 minutes soaping it down and scrubbing it. I gave it about 30 minutes to soak, and probably another 15 minutes to spray it down and then squeegee it dry. Now, originally I got this squeegee for cleaning out the garage. It's a whole lot easier to just go in there with the garden hose and wet the floor and squeegee all the water out than it is to try to mop or clean it. But I have found many other uses for it, and it works really well at help getting 90% of all the water out of the rug. It also allows me to push the water out and look at it to make sure I've got as much dirt out of the rug as possible too. If you're interested, I bought this squeegee several years ago from one of the box stores and probably paid about $30 for it. But it is a very worthwhile tool. I will end up spraying this rug down and squeegee it out and then spray it again, and I will keep doing this process till I can tell that there's little or no soap left in the rug. And the reason why that's important is the soap is almost like a magnet. If there's any dirt, it'll get attracted to it. And a good example of that would be our puppy dogs. They like to go outside and roll around in the dirt and play. And when they come in and lay down on the rug, if there's any soap left in that rug, the dirt's going to be drawn to it, and it's going to seem like the rug just gets dirtier and dirtier, quicker and quicker. And it's going to make you feel like you'll wash the rug for nothing. Alright, the sun may make it hard to see, but there's no longer any light spots. All of it's the same color. Now it's time to roll it up and see where we go. Now I want to roll this rug up as tight as I can because I'm going to stand it up on its end, and that's going to help drain a lot of the water out of it. So that is how our rug will spin tonight. The idea is that all the water is going to keep leaking down to one end and hopefully drain out. And you can see how the water is starting to build and there's a puddle fixing to run. All right, here is our rug. It's been out overnight and it's almost dry at the top, but when you get to the bottom, it's still real wet. Look at the pollen. Oak pollen is coming out. That's my only downside of drying it the way I'm going to dry it. I'll use a blower and try to get all the pollen and leaves off the driveway before I lay out this rug. Now it's not going to take any time at all for this rug to dry out, especially with the hot concrete on the bottom and the sun shining on the top. And I'll come out and move it around constantly so that way it's in fresh spots. Here where the rug's a little bit darker is the only place that needs to dry out. And because the squeegee worked so well last time, I will just take the squeegee and run it down this edge and try to get any of this excess water off to help aid in drying. Well, I've moved the rug for the first time, and the concrete has a way of pulling the moisture out of the rug, and you can see on the concrete where it used to be by the imprint. Well, I'm worried about the pollen, so I'm going to go ahead and blow the rug off, and then I'm going to blow the concrete off again before I move the rug. And each time I do it, you can see there's less and less moisture visible on the concrete, which means this thing is really drying out pretty quick. The only spot that has any water is still this one corner, and it's a little bit darker, but everything else looks pretty good. Well, the rug is all the way dry, and I'm going to blow it off real quick just to try to make sure there's no pollen that I'm taking in the house. But let's do a quick before and after so we can see what it looks like. Well, there you go. The rug is dry and it's ready to go inside. And now you know how I clean a rug on the home front. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and I'll see you in whatever video comes next. Well, thanks for watching, and here's an outtake. You gonna be my little helper, rascal? Look at you sitting pretty. Are you gonna help me clean the rug? Are you gonna help out? Oh my gosh, that'd be so nice if you helped out. Let's see what we can get going here.